up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Today we're going to talk about how often should I change my battery on the vehicle, and what signs do you look for in changing the battery. Slow cranking, like a slug type, like the car want to hesitate to crank up. That's one of the signs. The other sign is maybe the lights in the car is a little bit dimmer than it usually be. Sometimes the lights be brighter, but the battery is like, hey, I'm ready. I'm about to conk out. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting you a warning, you know, and the lights in the car, the interior lighting is like dim. And you have him on max, and you like, God darn it, why it's so dim in here? That's probably one of the reasons why you need to change out your battery. It'd be another reason why you need to change your battery. The age of the battery, it says on the plate of the battery what year it was and stuff like that. I think it says the month and the year. So check on it and be like, just pop the hood on the car, boom, and look at your battery and be like, all right, cool. You know what I'm saying? Different cars, different makes, models, the battery depends on where it's at. Some cars, the battery's in the middle of the floor. Some cars is in the battery's in the trunk. Some cars, the battery is in the front of the car. Like traditional cars, the battery is in the front of the car. But you know, just check your manufacturer or check the owner's manual for different cars and different specs on that, because you don't need to be trying to jump the car, or you going somewhere and getting a battery replaced and you be like, dang, I don't know where the battery at. Or with that case, you can just take it to your local dealership, whatever your car you have, just take it to the local dealership and be like, hey, I need a battery replaced. It's time. They'll be like, oh, they'll be happy to do it for you. How long do a battery last? You can actually have the battery last for top. The maximum is 5 years. 5 years, that's the top. After 5 years, then it go down from there. But the minimum is 3 years. The top is 5 years. So, even on the best driving conditions, you can be needing to replace your battery. You know, that's just because the battery is not lasting that long. You know what I'm saying? You know, you got some people who be like, man, I had this car since it first came out, and I haven't changed the battery, and now the car is acting crazy. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.